Ready to get that perfect radiant skin for spring? Well, today we're going to break down a super simple, all-natural solution you can whip up right at home, a cannabis-infused face mask. Let's get glowing.
You know, after a long winter, does your skin ever just feel kind of tired, a little dry, maybe a bit lifeless? Yeah, you are definitely not alone. That whole transition from cold, harsh weather to these brighter days, it totally calls for a serious refresh. And that is exactly what we're tackling today.
Okay, so first up, let's dive into this whole winter to spring skin thing. Because really, to appreciate the solution, we first have to get a handle on the problem, right? And that problem is saying goodbye to that post-winter dullness for good.
So, think about it like this. On one side, you've got the leftovers from winter. You know, those harsh winds, the constant indoor heat, it can really do a number on your skin, leaving it feeling dry and just kind of blah. But on the other side, we have our goal, that fresh, radiant glow we are all craving for spring. So the big question is, how do we get from one to the other?
So how do we bridge that gap? Well, we're going to do it with our superstar ingredient, which might be a little surprising for some of you. It's cannabis. And trust me, let's explore why it's so much more than just a chill session when it comes to your skin.
Okay, first things first. Let's be super clear. When we're talking about cannabis for skincare, we are focusing specifically on CBD from hemp-derived oil. This is the non-psychoactive part, which means it's all about the amazing benefits, not the buzz. The really crucial part here is its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. Basically, it works with your skin's own system to bring things back into balance. And that makes it absolutely perfect for calming your skin down and fighting off all of that daily environmental stress.
And that is why it is so perfect for this time of year. Seriously, think of it like a total reset button for your face. It's going to actively calm down any redness, fight off that environmental stress, soothe whatever damage winter left behind, and just get your skin beautifully prepped for all those sunnier days ahead. It's a game changer.
But of course, CBD isn't working alone in this recipe. Oh no. Let's meet the rest of the all-natural ingredient lineup, because every single one of these brings its own special magic to the party.
All right, here is your powerhouse team. You've got the star of the show, CBD oil, for that amazing moisturizing and calming effect. Then honey swoops in to lock in all that good hydration. We've got finely ground oatmeal that basically tells any irritation to just chill out. Aloe vera brings that cool healing vibe for a super fresh feel. And, you know, if you're feeling a little extra, a drop or two of geranium oil helps balance everything out. See? Each one plays a specific, totally crucial role in creating that gorgeous glow.
Okay, you ready? Let's get to the really fun part, the how-to. You're about to see just how ridiculously easy it is to bring a little spa moment right into your own home. Spa time awaits.
I'm not kidding, it really is this simple. First, you're going to blitz your oats in a blender till they're a fine powder. Easy. Then mix that powder with your honey and aloe until you get a nice, smooth base. Next up, you infuse it with that wonderful CBD oil. Add a couple drops with the essential oil if you're using it, and that's literally it. Just spread it on clean skin, kick back for about 10 to 15 minutes, and just relax.
So you've made the mask, you've relaxed, now what? What about the experience and that glow we've been talking about? Let's get into the rewarding result. What does this mask actually feel like, and what can you really expect? Okay, the feeling of this mask is just incredible. It's like a cool, creamy hug for your face. Seriously. As it sits on your skin, you can literally feel any tightness from the day just melt away. And it's replaced by this deep feeling of softness and relaxation. It's amazing.
And that's the real point, isn't it? This isn't just a face mask. It goes way beyond simple skincare. Taking those 15 minutes just for yourself, enjoying the whole sensory experience, it transforms a boring routine into a truly refreshing ritual of self-care. It's all about bringing a little bit of that springtime renewal right into your own bathroom. So let's just recap the final glow, the so what of all this. You're getting deep hydration thanks to the honey and aloe. At the same time, the CBD and oatmeal are teaming up to soothe any inflammation. And the result of all this amazing teamwork, you get skin that looks and feels plump, totally refreshed, and just absolutely radiant.
Oh, and here's a little pro tip. Don't forget you can totally make this your own. It's so easy to tweak this recipe to fit your exact needs. If your skin is feeling extra thirsty, add a bit more honey. Got sensitive skin? No problem. Just skip the essential oil entirely. That's the beauty of DIY, right? You're in complete control.
So there you have it, a simple, all-natural, and super effective way to reset your skin for the new season.
I think the only question left is, are you ready to shed that winter dullness and embrace your natural glow? Are you ready to give your skin that fresh start it totally deserves?